Hello, my name is Adrian Fernando Garcia Ortiz. I am 35 years old. I am from Chiquinquirá, Boyacá. I live in Chiquinquirá with my parents and my brother. I am a student. I am working in logistics. Sometimes my hobbies are play soccer, ride the bicycle, watch sport on TV, and I like reading. I am studying psychology in the UNAT University. My favorite food is the pizza, meat, fish. I like watching sports on TV. My favorite sport is football. In my family, there are 4 people: my mother, my father, and 2 brothers. I have also another brother and 2 nephews, but they don't live with us. We are very close family. I live in Chiquinquirá. My neighborhood is central. This is a big house. I love doing sports. I go for run the bicycle 2 times on the week. I like watching sports on TV. I also like reading. I like traveling and knows new places. In my bike, I enjoy to know new landscapes. Uh, I always like playing with my nephews. I like reading news or on internet, and I like working for hours. I like listening to music, especially reggae and rock. Mm, I haven't pets, but I love the animals. Thank you.